Good evening, guys. Today we'll be starting with the topic of human physiology. In human physiology, we have few chapters. The first one will be the digestive system. That will start today. The other chapters are circulatory system. We'll talk about heart and blood vessels. Then there is excretory system. We'll be talking about kidneys. And then there is also a chapter about lungs and respiration. Okay, that is the syllabus for class 11. Today we'll be discussing about a chapter known as the digestive system or digestion. Digestive system or digestion. We'll be learning about the functions of various parts and the components, the various organs and their functions. So we'll be starting with the oral cavity. So we'll be starting the chapter with oral cavity. So what is oral cavity? The area or the part where we ingest food. So if this is a human being, so this part that you see where you eat, where you ingest food, that is the oral cavity. So what does an oral cavity contains? It contains tongue and set of teeth. It contains two components, teeth as well as the tongue. So today I will be teaching you about the dental formula and the types of dentition. Okay, so let's move on to teeth. We will not be discussing right now about tongue, that we'll do it later on. So teeth, the teeth in human beings is said as thecodont. I will be teaching you about the meaning of thecodont. Thecodont means those type of teeth which are embedded in jaws. Okay, if your teeth, whatever types of teeth you have, if it's embedded in jaw, that is called as thecodont type of dentition. So human beings have thecodont type of dentition, which means their teeth is embedded in the jaw or the gums. Then we will be discussing about another term, that is diphyodont. What is diphyodont? Human beings have two types of dentition. When you are born, you develop a set of teeth as you grow up, that is the milk teeth or the deciduous teeth. So you have milk teeth, and the other, as you grow, as you mature, you have another set of teeth called as the permanent teeth. This milk teeth sets off, and then you have something called as permanent teeth, which stays throughout your lifetime till you grow old. Dentists or doctors have given formula for the number of teeth that you have. You don't talk in numbers like a layman. You don't say I have 32. You see it in a formula. We have types of teeth. We have many